Hey Jim, good morning to you.
Morning, John. How are you today?
I'm okay, just a bit tired.
Late night? Or early morning?
Packed my bag for tomorrow's trip.
Oh, right. The business trip.
Yeah, still not fully ready yet.
What's the plan for tomorrow?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Wait, they didn't send the schedule?
No, not a single detail.
That's very last minute, wow.
I know, it's really frustrating.
I would be stressed for sure.
I'm trying to stay calm though.
Good idea. Stay flexible and relaxed.
That's what I keep telling myself.
When's your flight out anyway?
Tomorrow morning, around 8 a.m.
Do you know the hotel name?
They said they'd confirm today afternoon.
That's cutting it way too close.
Tell me about it, man.
Who are you meeting first?
I think it's the marketing manager.
But you're not totally sure yet?
Nope, just guessing at this point.
Do you even have presentation slides?
I've prepared some general business ones.
That's smart. Stay prepared regardless, right?
Yeah, better than doing nothing now.
What city are you flying to?
Chicago, if nothing changes last minute.
Chicago's nice, but also unpredictable.
Like this whole business trip plan.
Maybe they want to test flexibility.
If so, I'm passing already.
You've always been calm under pressure.
Thanks. I try my best always.
You bringing anything fun along too?
A book, my tablet, headphones too.
That helps if there's waiting time.
I expect lots of it honestly.
Got any backup plans in mind?
Just to go with the flow.
That's actually a great mindset, John.
I wasn't always like this though.
What changed your view on things?
Too many unpredictable trips before this.
So now you're used to it?
I wouldn't say used, just ready.
That's a big life skill, man.
Yeah, especially in the business world.
What if they cancel last minute?
Then I enjoy a short break.
That's a nice silver lining idea.
You have to find the balance.
Are you traveling alone this time?
Yes, just me and my bag.
You know how to pack light.
Learned from many airport delays before.
Been there. Delays are the worst.
One time, I waited 8 hours.
8 hours? That's way too long.
Yeah, and I forgot my charger.
Rookie mistake. Never forget the charger.
Now I double check my electronics first.
That's how habits are made, huh?
Bad experience creates good preparation, right?
That's totally true and relatable too.
What about your work this week?
Busy but manageable. Some new projects.
Sounds like you've been productive lately.
Trying to finish things before vacation.
You going somewhere fun or chill?
Just visiting my parents for now.
That's always a nice little break.
Yep, nothing beats mom's home cooking.
Now that makes me feel jealous.
Want to trade trips? Just kidding.
Honestly, I might take that offer.
You'll survive the chaos, trust me.
I hope everything falls into place.
If not, just adapt and smile.
That's my current life motto now.
I should probably borrow that too.
You already handle things well, Jim.
Thanks, but I have my days.
We all do. It's normal, right?
Right. No one's calm every day.
Especially when travel plans are vague.
Or clients change things last minute.
Exactly. That's the most annoying part.
Will you call them this afternoon?
Yeah, to confirm all final details.
Good idea. That gives peace, hopefully.
I don't like last-minute surprises anymore.
Yet you're still managing it well.
Because I learned to expect surprises.
That's a helpful way to think.
That way, I'm never too shocked.
Makes life a bit smoother too.
Less stress, more mental space available.
Did you ever miss a meeting?
Once, due to a flight delay.
Did they understand the situation then?
Yes, they rescheduled it for afternoon.
That was very kind of them.
Some clients are really nice people.
Others can be a nightmare though.
Oh, I've met those types too.
I guess it teaches us patience.
Or the art of smiling silently.
Ha! That's a useful hidden skill.
Should teach that in business school.
How to smile through chaos. Perfect.
I'd get an A in that.
What's your biggest trip mistake ever?
I went to the wrong hotel.
No way. That's really awkward, John.
I asked, they said wrong location.
Did you panic at that moment?
I laughed. Then asked for directions.
That's flexible thinking right there.
I try to solve, not stress.
That mindset can save your sanity.
It helps, especially during business travel.
Will you call me from airport?
Sure, I'll send a message first.
Just curious how your check-in goes.
I'll update you on the madness.
I'll be waiting with popcorn here.
Thanks for cheering me up today.
Anytime. Friends support each other always.
That's why I talk to you.
I'm honored. You can vet anytime.
You give good advice and jokes.
That's my secret talent, I guess.
Should take it on a stage.
Nah, I prefer small audience better.
Me, when you call during lunch.
Exactly. My favorite performance spot ever.
Let's meet for coffee next week.
Yes. After your return from chaos.
Hopefully, with good stories to share.
Or at least some funny ones.
Like last time's luggage mix-up story.
That one still makes me laugh.
My suitcase went to another country.
What did you wear for meetings?
Bought emergency clothes at airport shop.
You handled that better than me.
I panicked inside, smiled outside.
Classic business traveler survival technique, huh?
Yes, and always carry extra socks.
Life wisdom right there, my friend.
Small things save big problems later.
Do you still feel nervous now?
Less nervous, more mentally prepared instead.
That's a great shift in mindset.
Thanks for helping me talk through.
Talking helps us organize thoughts better.
And reminds us we're not alone.
Exactly. Everyone's facing their own chaos.
That thought makes me feel grounded.
You've got this, John. Totally prepared.
I'll do my best, like always.
Just go with calm and confidence.
I'll repeat that on the plane.
Maybe write it on your hand.
I might, just to remember it.
Add a smiley face too, please.
That'll make the flight crew laugh.
Spread good vibes everywhere you go.
That's a great mission, honestly true.
Text me when you land safely.
Will do. Thanks again for everything.
You're welcome. Safe travels, my friend.
See you soon with trip stories.
Can't wait. You got this, John.